Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make black mojito mocktail. Just take a glass and add some lime wedges. After that, then you have to pour some mint leaf. Then you have to pour 1 teaspoon of sugar powder. And then you have to pour half teaspoon of black salt or rock salt. This is optional. Then you have to muddle all the ingredients properly. You have to muddle all the ingredients to get the flavor of mint and lime. Then you have to add some crushed ice, fill the glass with crushed ice. Then stir all the ingredients with the help of stirrers. See. Then fill the glass with Coca-Cola. After that you can see this is the refreshment mocktail. You can try. Black mojito mocktail is ready. After that you have to garnish with mint leaf and lime slices. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.